Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. You asked me to do a review of this WiN 60 from AULA wired magnetic gaming mechanical keyboard, and there we go. So first of all, I will leave a link for the AliExpress of this keyboard in the description under the video, because this keyboard not yet available, at least on a day of recording, not yet available on US market, for example on Amazon. So the only way how I was able to order it, it's through AliExpress. You will ask for sure what is the difference between this million version of this keyboard on AliExpress, right? And it's not super clear for me as well. This keyboard is WiN 60 HE Max. So this is a Max version with this gradient or side printed legend keycaps, right? But from the performance point of view, I can see on the description on this AliExpress store that we have a difference in keycaps, which is less important. We have this wing chan magnetic shaft, which means switch, magnetic switch, right? So this is, I don't know, light violet with a transparent housing of the switch, if you will want to check exactly the same model, right? And shaft body accuracy is 0.02 comparison to 0.04 in Pro version and standard version. And some like sound pack, which is we will check later. Maybe it's some advanced stuff inside. It's pretty heavy as for the wired keyboard without a battery, so maybe it's something interesting inside. So let's start from the general overview first, and then we will jump into performance testing. Like in general, you can see that this is a 60% keyboard. Again, another like kind of wooden style, right? Inside the box you will have a keyboard itself, you will have a cable, puller, these accessories, user manual, if you know this language, because I don't know, and that's all, right? In overall, this is a 60% mechanical keyboard in plastic case, super budget. You can find it like literally for like, I don't know, 40 bucks, even less, right? No adjustable fits. No knobs, no arrow keys. It's a 60%, right? If you need these arrow keys, you need 68% version. Keycaps are pretty nice. They really look great, and this red and black. But again, side printed legends, you will never be able to see them in a bright environment, right? Or if it's off, or if it's RGB off. So nice looking. Not practical. Let's check what we have as a keycaps. As I mentioned, keycaps is double shot PBT with side printed legend. Looks great, not practical, unfortunately. Almost as always for side printed legends. I will show you RGB, and I will show you how you can see this side printed legends later. Now, as I mentioned, we have this strange name wing chan magnetic shaft, and they are not looks like a Gatron magnetic switches. They are really different with a flat bottom but with two pins. Let me show you closer, right? You can see it. So under the switch we have a PCB, we have metal switch positioning plate, and we have some foam inside the sandwich, which is great. We have south-facing RGB, obviously for side printed legend, right? And we have two pins, so this PCB accepts two pins magnetic switches. Okay guys, you're not looking for this keyboard just because of red keycaps, right? You need a super fast, high performance keyboard. So let's go and let's check a pulling rate, let's check a delay in milliseconds, and let's check a Valorant game, and maybe it will help you to understand how fast this keyboard is. Okay guys, let's start from the keyboard inspector. I'm using this version 1.0.2, and you can see in the header that this is a WiN 60 HE Max, right? I'm using my setup with 3 different solenoids hitting really fast these keyboards we are using like 3 keys, S, H and L. And you can see that it's almost 3000 inputs event recorded. And you need to switch to this 16,000 gears if you want to check the keyboard with 8K polling rate. Based on this chart, orange chart, you can see that we have a clear picture of 8K polling rate with 2 additional spikes around 4K, which is again just maybe, most probably, mathematical deviation and doesn't mean anything specific. Also, I found in a driver that we have some super response mode, whatever it means. I did check without super response mode and with super response mode, and I didn't get any difference in keyboard inspector, so I assume it's just switching off RGB or anything else, or just marketing moment, because I cannot see any difference with or without the switch. Okay, now let's switch to the gaming test, right? This is a Valorant, and I'm showing you that this is default settings without any changes. And again, I'm using my solenoids to hit left and right and fire. And thanks for your suggestion. I am removing any rapid trigger or actuation points from the fire button, so you will have it as is by default. Now, this is a settings with reduced rapid trigger, right? So we should have a little bit better results, but as you may see that they're really close to the previous one, maybe a little bit better. Now this is a result with super low rapid trigger or like any possible settings, and again you can see that results are super close to the previous one. And in general, guys, I did try several options. I like increase durations and rapid trigger and actuation point and decrease them to the minimal possible settings, and in all cases it's pretty nice distribution of these holes on the wall. So my assumption that this keyboard just worked great out of the box without any tuning. Okay guys, now my test about delay. We have some nice tools inside the WebDriver. We can see in a live mode presses of the keys, which is just great. And you can see that we have 1 frame as a press, and immediately we can see the reaction on the screen immediately during the same press. I'm just reminding that 1 frame is 8 milliseconds. If this keyboard is 8K polling rate, we have much more potential presses inside 8 milliseconds, like a lot of them, right? It's impossible to emulate this. I cannot press so quick, and nobody can with like normal tools, real life tools, right? Like this solenoids, for example. So my assumption, if we have 1 frame for press and reaction, press and reaction, press and reaction, this keyboard is, how to formulate this, good enough for any of your needs. And we have a second tool which also showing a press of the key in a live mode, which is also great. And you can see again press reaction, press reaction, press reaction. So we have a press and we have immediate reaction during the same moment of time, same frame, which means that we don't have basically any serious delay or any substantial delay at all. Okay guys, you saw the performance. It looks promising, looks great. You cannot switch off rapid trigger, so I cannot show you like without and with, but with rapid trigger it seems that this keyboard obviously 8K with actuation point and rapid trigger as it was promised. And in terms of Valorant accuracy test, you saw it's pretty good in any case. Now, the less important, but still, we have this separate or additional sound pack inside the case, so let's check a sound test. Okay guys, you heard sound test, you saw the performance. my verdict that this keyboard is pretty fast. They are not ready for US market because like almost everything on not English, right? And even if it's on English, it's like half of English. Maybe it will be another version for US market, but right now you can order this keyboard from AliExpress. Links will be in the description, so you can check where I get exactly my version. I don't have any relationship with this exact store, just sharing my personal experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, if it was useful. And please consider joining a membership of this channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.